good. Maybe better than I remember. How's everything going with, should I call her your fiancée?
She's fine. Thank you for asking.
So fiancée was the right word. Do you have any pictures?
No, I don't.
Is she good looking?
Is that going to help the conversation in any way?
Allow me some curiosity, for Christ's sake.
Yeah, she is. Very much so, in fact. Happy now?
Better.
How's the dog?
I beg your pardon? The dog? I haven't seen you since we broke up over the phone 3 years ago, and the best thing you can come up with is the dog. Who gives a flying fuck about the dumb sucker?
This is not easy for me either. I'm just trying to get the conversation going.
Where?
Where what?
The conversation. Where do you think it's going to go?
Well, I'm afraid I'm not going to answer the question. Can you stop being so inquisitive?
I miss you.
Shit. I knew this was gonna happen. I mean, please talk about the dog or whatever. I just don't want to talk about...
I still love you. So much. I can't stand it anymore.
But it's a little too late, don't you think? I mean, I've come a long way, and I am through with the past. Took me long session of therapies and a lot of strength. So please don't do this to me.
What? What am I doing to you? I'm just telling you how I feel, and I think I've got a right to do that. We were together for 7 years, and you left me.
See? This is exactly why I brought up the dog.
Would you fucking give up with the dog thing?
Don't you understand? This is bringing up a lot of feelings I don't need. I'm happy now. I'm with someone who cares about me. And I don't need to know how you feel. Because it's going to bring me to a conversation that I don't want to have. Jesus Christ, I didn't leave you. You didn't follow me.
Why should I have? I was scared and not ready.
I waited for you a long time. And you just gave up on me. So, let's just stop this nonsense before someone gets hurt.
I'm hurt already, so I'm not afraid.
I'm not gonna let you put a guilt trip on me. You're the one that left.
Okay, fine. So what now?
What do you mean? You agree?
Yeah, I left you. So?
What?
Well...
Well, I guess that's what I really wanted to ask you is, how is the dog?
The dog's dead.